Tired of chaotic manufacturing projects eating into your valuable time and resources? Let's dive into how Jira, the powerhouse project management tool, can transform your manufacturing business. First, we need to establish the basics. Log into your Jira instance, then create a new project. Give your project a name related to a product or a specific manufacturing process. For our example, let's use new widget production run. Choosing the right project template is key. Consider using existing templates, design, or customized for manufacturing. Now select your project type. We can kick off with a Kanban or Scrum-based template. Kanban is ideal for visualizing workflow stages, and Scrum suits more iterative product development. Next, it's time to set up a well-organized workflow. Tasks are key to any manufacturing project. You'll want to create tasks and subtasks to represent each step in the production process, like material procurement, assembly, quality check, and packaging. Assign these tasks to team members and set due dates. Custom fields are where the real magic happens. In Jira, you can personalize your tasks to track manufacturing-specific information, such as material costs, resource allocation, and lead times. This allows you to deeply monitor your production costs. By customizing your Jira instance with custom fields, you are gaining the ability to make data-driven decisions. Lastly, generate reports that capture everything. Jira provides data visualization for things like production progress, resource allocation, and identifying bottlenecks, which provides essential insights and data to optimize your workflows and ensure that your project is running on time. With Jira, you can track everything in real time, which ultimately improves team coordination and enables your business to produce results that matter.